Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, October 30th, 2024. I'm here at Ortega River Marina on Sea Dock at the T. This is the blue sailboat. This is an after video. Before I show you the hull cleaning, a few things that I have to update. You have three 1-bolt oval transom sinks on the starboard side of the prop. You have 2 half R4s on the port side of the stern drive prop. You have 1 R3 that is on the bottom of the bow thruster, and you have a Gory Flex sail drive. However, a few concerns that I also noticed is on the stern side of the keel. It looks like it might have been backed into something, but there is a definitive piece that has been bent back, and there is no rubber boot between the sail drive and the hull of the boat. Alright, let's go ahead and check out all these concerns.